The ATSB has published a safety advisory notice to aircraft owners, registered operators and maintenance personnel to consider the replacement of O-ring seals of fluid-carrying components when examination of aircraft records identify components that have remained undisturbed for significant periods of time. This advice comes with the release of the final report into an in-flight fire and collision with terrain accident involving a Mooney M20J at Luskintyre airfield in New South Wales on the 17th of October 2022. The Mooney had departed Maitland Airport shortly before 2 p.m. on a local flight with a sole pilot on board. Flight tracking data showed the aircraft flew to and around Cessnock Airport before heading northeast to Luskintyre Airfield. On arrival at Luskintyre, the Mooney completed a left orbit of the airfield before what witnesses described as the aircraft descending to land. The same witnesses also reported seeing smoke and flames trailing the aircraft. The Mooney collided with terrain just short of runway 30. The pilot survived the collision, however later succumbed to injuries associated with an intense post-impact fire. The investigation determined fuel leaking from an age-affected O-ring seal of the engine-driven fuel pump ignited and caused an engine compartment fire. During the investigation, pressure testing of the engine-driven fuel pump revealed a fluid leak from the pump outlet fitting that supplied the engine fuel control unit. Analysis indicated the condition of the O-ring sealing the fitting had deteriorated with age, with evidence of loss of pliability, permanent deformation, and the presence of surface defects. Examination of aircraft records revealed that the pump had been in service for just over 29 years and had likely remained undisturbed for maintenance-related purposes throughout that period.
So it's more than likely when the fuel pump was last inspected for leaks, no leaks were detected. Now, O-ring seals are generally very reliable, but like any elastomer-based product, they will deteriorate with age. So it serves as a good reminder that perhaps when maintenance records are being reviewed, we identify an item that has been in service for an extended period of time. It's not so much the operating hours that we need to consider, it's perhaps the calendar time that it's been in service. And if there's an item there that is identified that has O-ring seals which are generally hidden from view, perhaps it's a good time to intervene and consider a proactive replacement of those seals.
Read the safety advisory notice and the final report on our website by searching AO-2022-049 or from the link in the description below.